We are in Jindabyne, New South Wales, in the Snowy Mountains. We absolutely love this place because we've got an incredible view of the mountains and the lake. We have two beautiful twins, one boy, one girl, Kobe and Elkie. People used to say to me, I don't know how you do it, having twins, but honestly, I don't know any other way. They were my first kids and I think we've been really lucky.
Definitely.
Yeah. I've got a much more conservative view to money than what Christian does. I am the daughter of a bank manager, so we always had good and sensible money lessons given to us as kids. I'd like to hopefully give some sensible lessons to my kids as well. I used to give them pocket money for doing the dishes and cleaning their room, but then I thought, this isn't fair. They're members of the household just like all of us, and we should all just do stuff to help. But if they want extra money towards a goal, we give them extra jobs and we do pay them for that, like washing the car or, doing stuff around the
gardening,
house.
Helping Dad.
Yeah.
We had a chat between ourselves and decided to match any big ticket items that they want, which has been good. It definitely has shaped their choices a bit more. Right now, our son is just about at the end of his savings goal for a downhill full face helmet. It started off as the most expensive helmet. Now it's not the top of the range. They're looking more a little bit through the middle because they've got to match it. And he's more conscious of the journey to get to that point, which I think is instilling the values that we're trying to achieve. Definitely.
I just want them to be secure and know within myself that they're okay. We'd love the kids just to really value how much goes into earning money and what you can get for it.
It's a big, scary world. Any information that we could find that would enable our children to be financially viable in the future, knowing that they're going to be able to stand on their own 2 feet, would make us feel better.
In Jindabyne, in the New South Wales Snowy Mountains, parents Megan and Christian are keen for their twins Kobe and Elkie to learn healthy attitudes around money. So, they're getting a visit from personal finance expert Jess Irvine, who's going to give them some helpful tools and talking points. And to get the conversation flowing, the twins have been dreaming about their goals for the future.
Hey guys!
Hey Jess, come on in.
How are you going? What are you working on here? This looks amazing.
It's our family dream board.
It's so colourful. I love it. What have you got on here that you're saving up for?
I really want a downhill pants and shirt and full face helmet.
For the mountain biking?
Yeah.
Okay.
We want to go on a Japan snow trip.
Ah.
I really want a dog for our family.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
We're going to be getting a new house with his design.
For your room, is it? Yeah, you've got the colourful wallpaper there. I love it. What's this one here? We've got somebody wants a mullet. Is that you?
Yeah.
You want a mullet? Do Mum and Dad want you to have a mullet?
Not really.
Okay, it is free, it's, fairly cheap. Get the haircut, but I'll leave you to negotiate that with Mum. Yeah. I love the way you've got that all mapped out there, and I think that being able to visualise what you're saving for will really help you. Yeah. I'm going to leave you with it, and I'm going to go have a chat with Mum and Dad.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya.
I think you guys are doing such a lovely job at teaching Kobe and Elkie about the real value of money. Can I share with you the 3 things that I wish every child could hear from their parents about money?
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
Excellent. First, I want them to hear you say that money is exciting. Kids do pick up on our emotions, and if we bring an attitude of fear or anxiety to the topic of money, they will replicate that. So we want to watch what we say. Every time you purchase something, that's an opportunity for a little discussion about where your money goes and how you value the purchases that you're making.
Yeah, we definitely try and do that. If we've got, large expenses or on a road trip and, the kids will want something, we'll stop and we'll have a discussion about, the cost of what everything will add up or another way to be able to do it to have a lower total.
Yeah, it's just about having that conversation, right? We shouldn't be worried about talking to kids about money.
No, definitely not.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So second, I do think that we can start to talk to Kobe and Elkie about saving and investing. So if I had to distill the whole of personal finance into one sentence, it's this: spend less than you earn and save and invest the rest. Don't spend money that you don't have. Learn to distinguish between the needs and the wants, and also start to think about saving and investing. Even at age 10, I think we can start having that conversation.
And I have already seen the kids get excited about watching their savings account grow.
Yeah, it's like free money, and kids need to know that when they save the money, they'll actually get to spend it one day.
Yeah.
Very true.
Third and finally, let them hear it's your money, it's your choice. So I know it can be really hard when they take the pocket money down to the canteen and they're spending it all at once, but I think it's important that kids have money that's their own and they learn how to spend it and they can reflect on the purchases that they're making.
We had an experience like that. Actually, the kids had their Christmas money and their birthday money and their savings, went on a bit of a shopping spree. And it was really interesting to see like hesitation and pullback when it came to spending their own money.
Especially when it was getting lower, there was definitely more consideration into what they were choosing.
So the other thing to talk about is using technology to help guide your kids. So as a parent, I use the Kit app. It lets you pay pocket money into your child's account. It also gives you a linked card that they can spend the money, but they can also set savings goals for themselves in the app. You can also set chores in there so that they can have that opportunity to earn a little bit of extra income.
I like the sound of this.
They like that. So you can actually have the app on your phone and then it becomes about checking it together.
Okay, yeah, I quite like that.
Yeah, then we can set some more chores.
Yeah, what is it?
I will show you guys in a little bit.
We'll get you to do some chores first, then we'll have lunch.
You might get paid though.
Hey.
That's interesting.
I had so much fun with Megan and Christian and the twins. Since my visit, Kobe and Elkie are using the Kit app and having a ball, tracking their progress towards their goals. Teaching our kids about money is a journey, not a destination. It starts at home and it happens one conversation at a time. So here again are those top 3 things I think every child needs to hear from their parents. Money is exciting. It's how we get what we want. Spend less than you earn, then save and invest the rest. Your money, your choice. That's how we learn. Reinforce these basics and you'll help set your kids up for a lifetime of financial capability, just like Kobe and Elkie.